In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to separate selected geometry into a new object in Blender. This is perfect when you want to split part of a mesh, like a handle, a panel, or a bolt, so you can move it, animate it, or apply different modifiers independently. First, make sure you're working on the correct mesh and switch to edit mode. You can do this from the mode drop-down in the top left of the 3D viewport, or by pressing Tab. Edit mode lets you work directly with vertices, edges, and faces, which is exactly what we need here to isolate the geometry you want to turn into its own object. Next, select the portion of the mesh you want to separate. You can pick vertices, edges, or faces, and you can switch between those selection types with the number keys 1, 2, and 3 on your keyboard. Use box select or circle select to gather larger areas quickly and orbit around the model to make sure you haven't missed anything on the backside. Take a moment to confirm that your selection is clean and continuous, especially around seams or tight corners. A careful selection will give you a clean split and help avoid tiny leftover pieces. With your selection ready, press P. This opens the separate menu. Choose selection. Blender will immediately make a new object from exactly what you had highlighted, leaving the unselected geometry behind as the original object. It's fast, precise, and uses your selection as the source of truth. After the separation, you'll still be in edit mode, but now you're editing only the newly created object. If you switch to object mode, you'll see two distinct objects in your scene and in the outliner. Each one can be transformed, hidden, or rendered independently. Materials that were assigned to the selected faces stay with them, so the new object will look the same as before, just independent. If something doesn't look right, undo and refine your selection, then repeat the separate action for a cleaner result. A quick note on that. Separate menu, along with selection, you may also see options like by material or by loose parts. Those are great for specific workflows, but when you want full control over exactly what becomes a new object, selection is the go-to choice because it uses only what you picked. That's all there is to it. Go into edit mode, select the geometry you want, press P, and choose selection. It's a simple, reliable way to break complex meshes into manageable pieces, ready for targeted editing.